Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Babush might not contest Panaji election, hints his close workers on his birthday, tells them to work against Surendra Furtado in Panaji. No security to man and animals at Bondla Zoo. No forest guards, visitors pelt stones at animals. Nobody to maintain discipline. Youngsters complain of negligence. Illegal constructions with 200 meters of coastal area at Kolva and Sernabati under scanner. NGT orders probe, gives 6 weeks to prepare report. And encouraging response to grassroots rugby tournament in Panaji, 600 participants for Goa Rugby's day-long competition. And now the news in detail. Babush might not contest Panaji by-election. He has given enough hints to his close workers on the occasion of his birthday. Sources close to Babush has revealed that their boss has told them to work against Surendra Furtado in Panaji. What compelled Babush to rethink on his decision is still unknown. Babush too isn't ready to make the formal announcements yet. On the other side, Congress is delaying declaration of its candidate in Panaji.
Present Congress and Santa Cruz MLA Babush Monserrate had declared that he would contest Panaji by poll even before Manohar Parrikar could resign as the Panaji MLA.
No, I have decided to contest in Panjim as an independent. But I always felt that Parrikar was better. Since now there is a vacancy, and I feel I can do a good job where Panjim where the CM has left this job half done. I can do a better job to complete whatever wishes he had.
However, Babush's announcement few months back now seem to be hollow declarations. Highly placed sources inform that Babush has no intentions of contesting by-election from Panaji, but he would be active in Panaji politics. Babush was speaking during his birthday celebration to his party workers. Babush said he would not contest Panaji by poll, but will definitely fight for Surendra Furtado's defeat. Babush's party workers are apparently in a confused state. Prudent tried to contact Babush Monserrate, but his mobile phone was out of reach from past 2 days. When we tried to meet him at his residence, he refused to meet, claiming his business.
बाबुशाच्या ह्या निर्णयान पणजेची पोटवेंचणूक भाजपा विरुद्ध काँग्रेस जावपाची शक्यताय आसा. मात काँग्रेसीन अजून उमेदवार जाहीर केल्लो ना. भाजपान सिद्धार्थ कुंकळकाराचें नाव निश्चित केलां. मात काँग्रेसीचें खळडलां अशें कार्यकर्तेच आतां विचारपाक लागल्यात. व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट देवेंद्र गांवकारा वांगडा हांव लौकीक शिलकार प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर.
No security to man nor to the animals at Bondla Zoo. A group of youth from Madgaon who visited Bondla complained that there are no forest nor security guards posted inside the zoo to maintain discipline. They claim that some of the visitors pelt stones at animals and nobody is there to stop them. The youths are worried as Delhi zoo-like incident may happen in Goa where a tiger had killed a man.
Have a close look at the visuals. Some of the tourists were seen pelting stones at tiger in pond. This clip was captured by a group of youth from Margaon through their mobile. They complain that there is nobody to stop this disturbance at the zoo. Youth claim that there are no guards inside the venue to guard the animal and man too.
ते कितें जालें वाघाचे ते फुड्यान ते गेल्ले ते मोठे फातर मारता वाघाचे आनी ते पळोवपाक गार्ड कोण ना तांकां राखपाक कोण ना प्लस कितें जालें गार्डा वचोन थंय आमी विचारले ताका कितें कोण ना ते म्हणटा पिवन येता खंय भुरगे खंय आनी ते कांय करपाक शकना खंय हे कितें तुमकां गार्ड दवरल्या कित्याक तांकां आतां
दवरल्या ती प्लेस मातूय सिक्युअर ना बिकॉज वयल्यान ओपन आसा ती प्लेस आनी कोणी कितें उडयल्या जाल्यार ऑफकोर्स तो चाळवतलो भितर सो आमी कितें म्हणटा की ती सेक्युरिटी तशी आसूंक जाय आनी कॅमेराज जावं कितें हे सगळे सायडीन पळोवंक जाय कित्याक वी सेव टायगर्स खंय सेव करता आमी No, we don't save the tigers.
They have demanded that proper security guards should be posted at the venue.
ते सेक्युरिटी आसपाक जाय गार्ड आसपाक जाय ते इतलेंच आनी कांय न्ही कित्याक कोणी पडलो जाल्यार ब्लेम कोणा तेंचेरूच येतली न्ही कोण ते काय चिकोल आसा सगळे कडेन तेंची जे कोण एनिमल्स आसा ते कंडिशन सारकी बॅड कंडिशन.
Following recent Delhi incident, Prudent had highlighted the lack of infrastructure and lack security at the Bondla Zoo.
तुम्ही प्रुडंटान हे केल्ले आसा एक्सपोज केल्ले आसा तेंचे कितें ते फक्त आतां दाणे घालून दवरले अशें मागीर ते कोण गार्ड कोण ना ते पळोवपा आतां दाण्याचे उरलें कुशींतल्यान वचोन वाट आसता वचपा मेळटा मागीर हें कोण ना आतां थंय गार्ड ना मागीर कितें सोडून दिवपाचें अशें वाऱ्यार टिकेट घेवपाक ते कावंटराचेर सारकी सिस्टमॅटीक टिकेट घेता ते.
Savio dies for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.